What's going on today, guys? Welcome to today's video. If you're an agency owner looking to get unlimited leads for your agency without spending a ton on ads, or without doing a lot of manual messaging, here is a quick video on just a couple of methods you could be using right now to get unlimited leads in your agency without that high ad spend that maybe you can't afford right now. So make sure you guys like this video, comment down below any questions you have about your agency, and subscribe, and let's get right into today's video. So the first thing is when you're trying to do lead gen for your agency, first thing I would be doing right now, and I know I talked about in the beginning intro about like not a lot of manual stuff, but in the beginning, you should be doing what I call like Loom based closing, okay? And what I mean by that is like, if you're first starting out and you want to get more leads, I would just go find Instagram accounts that are like boutiques or Shopify stores, coaches, whatever. Find the link to their best-selling product, find the link to their website, and do a Loom video. Like go through the landing page, show them like what they should improve, go through the Shopify store, sell them things they should be adding, and send that to them in like an Instagram DM, or you email it to them. It's like, hey, I shot this quick video for you, and I just want to go over your business and give you some tips on how you can increase your conversion rate. Let me know if you want to book a call to discuss further. And it's like literally a custom video, and the name in the Loom video is literally their business name. And I did this in the beginning because like I didn't have enough money for ad spend, and I needed a way to predictably get more clients. So I used, like checking out their landing page. Do they have upsells? Do they have downsells? Like, is the copy congruent? Is their offer not good? Is there no FAQs? Is there no testimonials? Like, are they not using the right apps? Is there no scarcity, no urgency? The copy's not good. Like, whatever the case may be that they're not doing right, you need to point that out in that Loom video. And obviously in the Loom video, you can do a call to action where it's like, hey, like, I know I explained these things to you today and you're probably like pretty overwhelmed. If you are, like, just hit this link below in the comment section, because in Loom, you can put a comment on that same link and they can book a call with you. And that's a great way to get people who are more high quality because they're going to watch your video. Also, Loom sends you notifications when people watch your video, so you know if that person actually clicked it and watched to a certain point. So that's kind of a cool way to control like the quality of the lead as well. Second thing you could be doing right now is using bark.com. Okay, bark.com, it is a little pricey for people who are just starting out, but if you want leads who are interested in your services, I would just go on Bark. You can put up like an actual business listing up there, and leads can check out your profile and they can inquire with you, and you can pay like credits for the lead. So some leads with like smaller budgets will be like 15 to 20 credits, which is about 20 bucks, 15 bucks a lead. And you can pay for that lead, and you can contact that lead right away within Bark. You can get their phone number, email, how fast they're looking to hire somebody, their budget. So you're framed before the call if they're actually like a high net worth business owner who's serious. And obviously if they've hired somebody already, they're not going to be on the platform, searching. Maybe they're price shopping, which is another thing you should be thinking about, but it's a great way for you to get leads without having to go out and like manually find people. So paying that 15 to 20 bucks for a lead instead of just making a Loom video and kind of being a bottleneck in the beginning. The third piece and the last piece is going to be Facebook groups. So joining Facebook groups that are niched into what you're looking to work with. So if you're looking to work with gym owners, like you should probably be joining Facebook groups with gym owners in them, like maybe like in SaaS Facebook groups where a lot of gym owners are using X amount of software. You can then like cold DM and message gym owners in that Facebook group. Okay. Other Facebook groups are like Shopify dropshipping groups. You're trying to find clients for Shopify dropshipping, go inside those free Facebook groups. You can cold DM people like case studies and stuff to then book a call. Another good way Facebook groups is like value-based posting. So like posting wins that you're getting for clients in other Facebook groups. So like either like Facebook ad groups, Shopify groups, like where Shopify stores are in, coaches, consultants, or service providers, local business, Facebook groups, like stuff like that, and posting client wins of like how you got this amount of leads for this amount of money. And you don't even sell anything at all. All you do is just say, hey, like reply info if you want more information. Then you could just literally just like go in the comment section and DM all the people who replied to your comment. And that's another way you can get, a lot of unlimited leads as well. And the word unlimited is like obviously not practical, but like you can get more leads on demand if you just use those three simple strategies. I know there's a lot of other softwares out there where you can buy leads from, but Bark has been the best because they're actually qualified business owners who have X amount of money. It's a verified budget, like they put in the revenue, and they're like qualified business owners. Other than those three, I mean, there's not a lot of other ways to really get leads. I mean, if you really want to be a bottleneck, you can like go on Yelp and you can just go to like local business listings on Yelp and just cold call. Like that's a good way, but then you become a bottleneck, or you can outsource to a call center depending on like how much money you have to invest in the beginning. And then you can call them to set an appointment with you. That's obviously up to you if you want to do that. That's kind of what I did for the first like couple of months. I would go on Yelp and just like find a bunch of local businesses with good reviews, and I would just call them and like check out their website, and I would give them like value on the phone and say like, hey, like I can come into your storefront, we can have a sit down meeting and chat about this. Like obviously I was just starting out, so I wasn't making any money, so it was worth my time. But yeah, that's another way you can do it as well. So hope this helps. And then obviously you start accumulating cash, you can then get into paid ads and all that, but I'll be making videos about that as well. If you're more of like an advanced agency owner making like 25, 50K a month where you can spend money on ads, I'm making a video on that as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.